Pretty Mind Mindsets and Habits for Next Level Living. Cami Townsend. Copyright 2024, Cami Townsend. All rights reserved. No part of this book may be reproduced or used in any manner without the copyright owner's written permission, except for the use of quotations in a book review. ISBN 979-899-22-56000. Printed in the United States of America. In Pretty Mind, you are taken on a transformative journey to achieve inner peace and holistic wellness. Inspired by a life-changing trip with my girlfriends, I realized that even successful women often struggle with anxiety and stress, preventing them from fully enjoying their lives. This book is a heartfelt guide to overcoming these challenges and finding true balance. Through a 12-step boot camp, Pretty Mind, putting repeatable effort towards transforming yourself, offers practical strategies to align your mind, body, soul, and heart. From strengthening your faith and understanding your identity to managing your finances and nurturing relationships. Each step is designed to help you build sustainable habits for a fulfilling life. During this journey together, I share my personal experiences and the wisdom gained from years of reprogramming my own mindsets and habits. With a focus on women's unique challenges, I encourage you to embrace your authentic self and break free from your past regrets and present anxieties. Get ready to put in the effort and transform your life. Pretty Mind is not just a book. It's a call to action for those ready to invest in their well-being and achieve the next level of joy, happiness, and peace that is missing today. Cami Townsend, CFP, AAMS, CRPC, is a dedicated financial planner and the founder of Elevated Wealth Advisory Group, LLC. She holds a BS in Computer Science and Engineering and a BS in Applied Mathematics from The Ohio State University, as well as a Master of Science in Financial Engineering from Kent State University. Cami is passionate about living life to its fullest, which includes riding her motorcycle, traveling to new and exciting destinations, cooking, and spending quality time with her friends and family. Your thoughts control your mindsets. Your mindsets control your actions. Your actions form habits, and your habits can change your life.